Hi, this is not going to be a professionally edited video, as if anything I do is ever professionally edited. I just want to give you a quick update on how things are looking. We have now done our 8th cutting out here of lettuce. So let me just see if I can get this flipped around. I can never get the video to flip around for me the right way. So we'll just go ahead and point it this way and let you see. There you go. All right, so we've got another good set of spinach and lettuce. I can't remember. This is Paris White. The Paris White. Now, what Lynn has done here is with our spinach, she has kind of topped these off because we had little leaves growing out underneath the larger leaves on top. And so in hoping to keep them from bolting, we went ahead and cut these down and seen if these leaves will end up moving themselves out and just keep growing spinach without having to replant this. And then to come back around here again, because I'm technically challenged, this is our butter crunch and it is looking absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And we're gonna let this head up some more before we end up cutting this. We can't wait. This is really yummy lettuce to eat. All right, so that's it. It's just a quick update. I guess maybe I can look over my shoulder and let you see a couple of other things. We've already clipped the garlic. We've given it a haircut once and it's already back up tall. Onions are coming in. We've moved all of our tomatoes out into the garden, but these aren't all of our tomatoes. We've got more tomatoes that are over on the far side of our privacy fence. And these are our new tabletops that we showed you just a couple of days ago on Instagram and Facebook. We've got those all planted. Then we'll swing around this way. Our strawberry boxes are going to be monstrous this year. We have tons and tons and tons of strawberries, which means lots of strawberry jam, fresh strawberry on shortbread, low carb shortbread, and just wonderful snacks. And then also, let me go ahead and flip this around here in just a second or show it to you over my shoulder. Our black raspberries that we planted from the wild over a year ago are coming up, and they also have an absolute ton of berries on them. So again, looking forward to just a really good year this year. Oh, one more, keep giving you more updates. In our corner boxes where we ended up where we've been doing our tomatoes, we've planted these with potatoes that we got from last year, just small ones, kind of like fingerling tomatoes. Let them wintered over and they were starting to sprout eyes already. Went ahead and threw them in these boxes. It is going to be a no expectation potato crop. Again, we've got some plans for some other beds here, and we'll give you that update later. Again, just a quick update, no professional editing. Hope you have a great day. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to Simple Homesteading, encourage you to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell button when you want to know when a new video comes out. Again, if you liked it, give us that thumbs up. Comment below. We don't get a lot of interchange and interplay as far as discussion from time to time. We would really love that. Again, thanks for being with us today on Simple Homesteading.